Hello and welcome back. Before I get into the video, I would like to say that if you like these types of videos, feel free to hop in the Discord. Today we're going to do a SR area look through, probably not a full redraw. I did look through the levels and they look pretty stable. They look pretty good. The reason I'm doing it on Monday now and I did it on Monday last week as well is because I always preach not to enter on Monday. I mean, statistically, has been proven pretty consistently throughout the years with my strat that entering on Monday has a much lower win rate. So it is avoided. But entering on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and sometimes on Friday is all good. So as long as you get like a nice trade a week, you're good. You're good to go. Or even like every other week you get a trade. So there's no rush in it in that sense. So let's go through the pairs. Let's have a look. This one got triggered in. Nothing needed to redraw here. Keep in mind, I'm not entering any of these myself because I hit my monthly max. So this potential I also posted. Was it a 12-hour or 1 day? This was a 1 day CR that I posted. This one also got triggered in. I don't know if anyone entered it, put stop orders in for these potentials. But again, you shouldn't have entered because it's Monday. So you should have waited for it to trigger some other day. But some people don't give a shit in my Discord, I've noticed. But you can see they're not doing too well. It's because there's an overspill of volume coming in from the weekend. Okay, these levels look fine as well. Let's look through the levels. It isn't much to paint on these first ones because these are all ATH pairs. So you just have to go off of things that are like a decade back like this. Like, what are you going to do? Hop back here? Or are we going to draw from, what is it? When is this? 2013? Well, we already did, so... and this trade was successful. I forgot to remove the thing. The BO. So this range, we're going to adjust a little bit like that. Remove this. There's no longer a range here. Too much volume consolidated. Bitcoin is looking interesting. But my Bitcoin trading experience is very limited. I'm going to mark that. All right. These levels look all right. I'm not going to look for setups, by the way, now. I just noticed that. Bitcoin. I want to look at it. You put this down here and remove this. Not much to do here. Looks fine as well. Yeah. This more is the new range, as you can see. So you have to ignore these older areas. Information is always king. Also, Tuesday candle is not too long. If you get a nice redrawing or adjustments, you should be ready for the week to make some money, bro. Silver is looking interesting. Could have stayed in that, but I didn't see the point with my trade. If you remember, with my final trade of the month, I was already above 10%. I was at 10.3%, so I got out. Got 0.2% up to 10.5. Instead of chasing more highs, I'm not after those. Gold is mooning again. That is because levels are looking fine. Trump announced global tariffs, 15% on the whole world. So now everyone is scared. So it's looking nice. Oh, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be really interesting to trade gold. Could be looking for some ATH levels. Let's look at BTC as well. Let's put this in as a potential. I want to try to go long on this when it hits the support we've got here. The reason for it is that crypto is a speculative asset, a lot like gold as well. So it does move a lot, very similar like gold. Mind you, I haven't traded it a lot, but when I say a lot, I have traded it. It's just that I've been trading currencies and regular commodities for like, I don't know, 13 years, 12 years. But I do have like a year or so of Bitcoin trading. There's some other shit too, shit coins. It was alright, but never been too much into it. But we'll see. So there's a nice potential here. This potential already triggered below here, so the oil we can throw out, or actually a BO for the oil would be interesting now, if it, especially if it reverses on the indecision candle. Yeah, if it passes through here. I'm thinking about the global tariffs. And then if he invades Iran on top of that, ka-ching. So potential BO here, same here, and here we're looking to see it hit the bottom first. There was not much to redraw at all. Anyways, don't want to make the video any longer. If you like the content, feel free to hop in the Discord. It'll be linked in the description, and it is free. There's nothing for sales there. For sale. I'm not a salesman, all right? Can you believe it? All right, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.